In the ancient records of Norse mythology, a tale of cunning, deceit, and divine intervention unfolds amidst the realms of gods and giants. The Aesir, the new gods, and the Vanir, the old gods, had emerged from a devastating war, but their home, Asgard, lay in ruins. The watchman of the gods, Heimdall, was approached by a stranger at the Rainbow Bridge who told him he could restore Asgard's wall, but at a price. The stranger, Hrimthur disguised, proposed a bargain: the sun, the moon, and Freyr in exchange for the reconstruction of the wall. The gods refused. But Loki, ever cunning, devised a plan to outsmart the giant. Loki's plan was simple: deceive the mason into agreeing to an impossible task. The mason offered to accept the conditions in exchange for being permitted to use his horse, Svartalfari, to assist him. The gods were disappointed by the mason's extraordinary accomplishment, thanks to Svartalfari's power. As the deadline approached, Loki's final act of deception unfolded. 3 nights before the wall was to be built, a magnificent filly walked past Svartalfari. With a friendly whinny, the horse released his harness and trailed behind the filly. Raiding after his horse, the mason was unable to capture him. Actually, the mason pursued his stallion and successfully for the whole night. Svartalfari's disappearance stopped the mason's efforts. Claiming that he had been fooled, he charged into Asgard with fury. He became so enraged that he made threats to demolish Asgard altogether. After Mjolnir, Thor's hammer, dealt him a single strike, the situation was over, and Asgard was saved from the giant's wrath. The gods later constructed the remainder of the wall. Several months later, Loki came to Asgard with an 8-legged colt and handed it to Odin, who named him Sleipnir. But the colt's origins puzzled Odin until Loki revealed the truth. Sleipnir was born by Loki himself, who had disguised himself as a mare in order to trick the giant. The gods were amazed by Loki's cleverness when he later confessed his actual involvement in the mason's collapse. As the walls of Asgard rose up once again, a testament to the gods' tenacity and the value of wit above brute force, the story of Loki's cleverness and his role in saving Asgard became legend.